In the rapidly evolving manufacturing industry, Moldex3D iSLM provides a one-stop data management platform, transforming mold design and molding data into a key asset for smart manufacturing. Traditionally, mold design, mold tryout, and CAE analysis data have been siloed, making it difficult to establish seamless connections. Moldex3D iSLM integrates these datasets and uncovers correlations throughout the product development process, enabling users to make more informed decisions. To maximize data utilization, iSLM introduces AI-powered functions, allowing enterprises to leverage historical data for new product development. With AI's predictive capabilities, iSLM accelerates the plastic injection mold development and significantly improves efficiency and innovation. Gate Design Discovery is an AI-powered gate design tool. iSLM identifies similar cases from the enterprise database. Once a reference case is confirmed, Gate Design Discovery will apply its gate locations to the new part geometry. This allows less experienced product or mold designers to rapidly apply successful past designs, shortening the mold development process. Mold Design Discovery is an AI-driven predictive tool. This tool builds data-driven, multidimensional regression models from the enterprise database to offer predictions. Users simply upload a CAD model, and Mold Design Discovery utilizes the regression model to predict key molding parameters, such as the required number of gates, injection molding pressure, and clamping force. This data-driven approach efficiently streamlines decision-making. By leveraging advanced data analytics and data models, users can identify potential manufacturing problems and seek effective solutions during the mold tryout. Moldex3D iSLM is more than just a data management platform, it serves as the gateway to the enterprise knowledge base. It integrates Moldex3D simulation data and features auto-launch function. Once a CAD model is uploaded, it can automatically conduct the analysis, rapidly expanding the enterprise database and laying a solid foundation for AI model training. Regardless of team size or project scope, Moldex3D iSLM bridges gaps between data, intelligence, and personnel. Its AI-driven parameter recommendations enable design teams to quickly access molding predictions, transforming workflows and streamlining the product development. Moldex3D iSLM unites data and intelligence to spark the manufacturing revolution.